Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to another Convlog. We're going to be making some spag bol, classic spag Bolognese. I got my little friend here, my little orange friend, is going to be helping us out with cooking. Start out with one onion. Boom! Now, you're going to want to get yourself your Jamie frying pan. Just scrape it in there, honestly. Don't even use a knife, use your hands. You feel more connected to the food, honestly. Boom. Okay, we're going to set that aside over here. Next. Capsicum. Boom! Okay, yet again. Now grab your bowl. You want to just scrape it in there. We're going to save this for later. You want to cook the onions down first, but we're just going to chop everything for a bit of mise en place. My little orange friend here is going to help me cut one of these carrots. We're just going to want to get our peeler and just go like this. Nothing came off. Missed the carrot. Fish you out of the bin. I eat garbage every day. So basically, you just want to peel your carrot, and then you want to cut the ends off. We're just gonna want to peel this one as well. Boom, chicka looka boom, boom. Okay. Now you got carrot peels. You know you can actually eat these. They give you quite a bit of nutrition. Maybe the tastiest thing in the world, but you know if you eat too many of them, you actually do die from carrot poisoning. You just can't stop. Oh. Ah! Get your Jamie grater. Just go at it. You know, if you have to be non-verbal, be non-verbal. When you get down to this stage where it's kind of like a stump, just fucking chew on it, honestly. Cooking is about experimentation. I swear I'm not gay. Yeah, do it. Fucking grate my carrot. So once you've grated your carrot, you just want to pop the top off, put it in here. Eat some more. We got the pan. Boom, it's lit. It's too easy. Get your Jamie extra virgin olive oil. Chuck just a swig. Oh, nice. We don't want to caramelize these onions. We just want to sweat them down, okay? So once they turn nice and translucent, that's how you know you're good. So we're gonna, boom. Okay, so now our onions are nice and translucent. Make sure you've been stirring these little bad boys, cause if you ain't doing it right. Get your meat. Now you're thinking, how am I meant to cook this whole piece of meat in one go? You don't. Fucking bish, bash, bosh. Just break it up. Think of this as a Taylor Swift song. Just break it up. And you want to keep going until the whole thing has browned. We're looking pretty good. The meat is nice and brown. There's a couple of red parts left, but you know, that's going to cook out. So, what we want to do now is get a bit of tomato paste. Tomato paste, okay? I bought this one from Woolies. You'd be surprised because it's a red label. Normally Coles is the one to go for the red, but you know Woolies is fucking coming for the brain. We'll chuck that in there. Mix it in, mix it in. That's mixed in fairly well. Next, we want to add some Regador sauce. This is actually the sponsor of this episode is tomato sauce. If you can't be getting this sauce going properly, get yourself a kitchen knife. You see this knife? Okay, yeah, you see this? Boom! So you do that, you stab the fuck out of it. Now that we can open it, pour it in there, okay? Boom! Fill half of it up with some water, put the lid back on, shake it. Boom, okay? That's gonna get the rest of the tomato out of it. Boom, boom, boom. So you got that, you wanna stir it in. Stir it in. A can of diced tomatoes. Not tomatoes, none of this tomato business. Tomatoes. Coles is a little bit fucky. It doesn't come with a pull-off tab, so that's when you wanna get yourself a can opener. Just boom. Now, that it's open, pour it in. Boom, 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 boom. Fill it up with a bit of water, swirl it around, boom, okay, we are looking good, we are looking good. You want to get yourself some red wine. This is a Shiraz, Merlot Shiraz. Okay, so we're gonna want to chuck that into the sauce. So we got this. We're gonna just a little bit. You know, it's gonna add some flavor. I do know everything about Jamie Oliver. I known him since primary school. Okay, you want another Jamie Oliver fact? He, in fact, does have 6 toes on 1 foot. So now that we got our veggies, just boom, boom them in. Bish, bash, bosh styles. Chuck your carrot in. Just mix it in. Mix it in. Boom, ba-doom, 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 ba-doom. Now that you got it mixed in, you're going to want to let it simmer. This is going to make it thicken up, and it's also just going to enhance the flavors, let them meld together. So you want to get your official Jamie lid. Knock off any excess sauce. Boom that on there, okay? And we're just going to let that cook for a little while, okay? You want to come back in about 20 minutes or so. While your sauce is cooking, you want to fill up your boiling pot. You want to fill it with water. Just get yourself your ladder. Boom. Okay. Table salt. You want to open it and you want to severely assault, like savagely assault this pot. Get your lid. Boom. Leave that for about 10 minutes and we'll be good. Alright, now that your water is boiling, you want to get yourself your Cole's Jamie pasta. Now, I like to do a classic Jamie when opening. Okay? Classic Jamie styles. We're going to check back on my little friend here. Good job, mister. You've peeled the carrot. I couldn't be more proud of you, honestly. Just, oh. Now that the water is nice and boiled, we're just going to take the lid off. Boom, easy peasy. Get your pasta, just pour it in there. Get your tongos. You just want to like, just twist it a little bit, you know. Now that the water and the pasta is done, get yourself a Jamie strainer. Okay, put it in the sink. Now, turn off the water. You want to grab it by the handles. Just bring it over here. Just pour it in. Boom. To assemble your spag bowl, you want to grab your tongs, get some nice spaghetti, mix it a little bit. Mix it. Pull it out. Oh, that's some nice spaghetti. Put it in your bowl. Some hangs over, what are you going to do? Nothing, because it doesn't matter. Good job, Mr. Orange Man. You cut that carrot pretty good. Alright, so get your pasta sauce, get yourself a ladle, open it up. Oh, steamy, creamy, absolutely dreamy. So we're going to get a nice ladle scooping. Nice, drip it off, place it on there. Jamie, if he was here with me today, he would cry from the brilliance that I have created. So to garnish, we're gonna add some carrot on top and a bit of carrot skin, and we're also gonna add a little dash of, oh, that's beautiful, that's beautiful. You know, Jamie, he would go a bit overboard, but I'm feeling conservative today. So that is how you make spag bol, spag bolognese, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Don't forget, like, favorite, subscribe, Patreon, share, Kickstarter, all of that good stuff. Don't forget our sponsor, pasta sauce. It's really good. It really just made this pop. And so, see ya in the next time. Catch you on the flip side.